Hi, whether you need to type a resume or a letter, it can get done fast if you learn how to control the keys efficiently. So let's get started. You will need a keyboard or a typewriter, patience, time to practice, and internet access. Step 1 is sit up straight with both feet on the floor. Position your chair and keyboard so your arms are at 90-degree angle and are parallel to your legs. Keep your elbows next to your body and your hands straight. Try not to look down at the keys. Step 2. Position your fingers on the keyboard. Put your left little finger on the A and your right little finger on the semicolon. Lay your fingers one at a time on each consecutive key and place your thumbs on the spacebar. The F and J keys on most keyboards have small bumps to easily identify where your two pointer fingers should stay without having to look down. Step 3. The left index finger control the F, G, R, E, 4, 5, V and B. The left middle finger control the D, F, E and C. The left ring finger control the S, W, 2 and X. The left little finger control the A, Q, 1, Z and Shift. Step 4. Learn what keys the fingers on the right hand type. The fingers on right hand control the same pattern of keys as you learn on the left side. Step 5. Press the spacebar with your right thumb. Step 6. Master the Shift key with your little finger and press the Shift key while simultaneously pressing the letter of choice to type a capital letter. If the letter is pressed by the right hand, use the left Shift key and vice versa. Alright, if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more videos in future.